June 23rd, 2023, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This is a Freewing L39 with a new nose job. Put a new cone on it, painted it. I messed it up the other day. Anyway, going up here. Let's see now how it's doing. Maybe just a hair to the left. Let's see now if I got a... Huh? Oh, come in from the river? Oh, yeah, the wind is coming from the river. Okay. Nice plane. Uh-oh. Half flaps. Go around again. A little lower. Don't hit the trees. Oh, I'm well ahead of those trees. Power off. Nose down. Come on, come on, don't hit in the grass. All right. All right, that was not very professional. Well. Oh, got it out of that hole.